You're the head of the network for Tele2 in Sweden.
That's right.
Could you explain a bit how you work with target setting within the company and how you forecast the demand in the network?
Yeah. When it comes to the first part, target setting, we do have a lot of targets within all the different functions in the company. So financial targets, customer experience targets, network KPIs that we follow up closely upon. And those targets are all aligned so that we share the same objectives and goals within the company.
And that goes for management as well as on engineering levels?
Yes, I mean, of course, often you have more high-level goals on a management level, but then you break those down into more detailed KPIs and targets.
Once you have these targets now, how do you go about forecasting the demand for future traffic and future quality requirements and so on?
Yeah, well, I mean, every time that we are considering a major change in our portfolios and offerings, we do careful analysis of what this will mean for our networks and the capacity in there. For example, in 2015, when we launched bigger data buckets, we saw a major difference before and after in terms of traffic growth in the mobile networks. So it's not only old stats that can tell you about what will happen tomorrow. You also have to take into account your commercial activities and changes in what you're offering to the market.
So this is predictive analytics, right?
Yes, I would say it's one kind of predictive analytics.
Is it also big data?
No, I mean, if you take the industry standard into account here, I wouldn't say it's proper big data, but it's a lot of data, and we use stats that are available in various systems in order to reach our conclusions when we do those analysis. So yes, we use a lot of data, but I wouldn't say it's big data yet within this specific area.